6-6, solving systems of linear equations using subtraction. Just as you can use addition to solve systems of linear equations, you can also use subtraction. In the subtraction method, you solve the system by subtracting the equations to eliminate one of the variables. So we're going to solve this system of equations using subtraction. Notice that the x's are lined up, the y's are lined up, and the constants are lined up. And this must take place in order for us to use subtraction to solve this system of equations. So we will be using the subtraction method. So we're looking to subtract one of the variables so that we get 0, so that one of the variables will cancel. Well, remember, every variable has a number in front of it. If you don't see one, it's understood to be a 1. So I actually have 2x and 1x. If you subtract those, you don't get 0. But when you subtract the y's, what's 1y minus 1y? You do get 0. So we're going to be subtracting each one of these. 2x minus 1x gives you x. 1y minus 1y, they cancel. And 10 minus 7 gives you 3. So immediately we know x equals to 3. Now we must find y. So to find y, we take x is 3 and plug it back into either one of the original problems. I'm going to plug it back into equation 1. I'm plugging it back into 2x plus y equals to 10. So I have 2 times 3 plus y equals to 10. Plugging in x is 3 back into x of either one of the original equations to find y, just as we've done previously. So I have 6 plus y equals to 10. Solve for y. Subtract 6 from both sides. So I end up with y equals to 4. So y is 4. So when x is 3, y is 4. Now we can check it. We will check our answer, 3, 4. So let's check our answer. Plugging that answer back into both equations in the original problem. X is 3, y is 4. So when you plug them back in, that's 2 times x is 3 plus y is 4. Does that give me 10? 2 times 3 is 6 plus 4. 10 does equal to 10. The left side does equal to the right side, so we are correct. Checking it on the second equation, x is 3 plus y is 4. Does that give me 7? When I add 3 plus 4, yes, I get 7 equals to 7. So the left side equals the right side. So the solution to this problem is 3, 4, where I use the subtraction method.